Alright, hey guys, what's up guys? My name is Vic7 and today we're going to be doing another video. This time actually this is going to be an information video. So today I'm going to actually show you guys how to make a YouTube channel. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is just open up a new tab like I have here. Google, whatever, web browser, depends on what computer you have. So I'm just going to press here and I'm just going to go to create a new Google account. Alright, so create your Google account. Right now we're just gonna make a bot account, right? So I'm just gonna call this, alright, I have a name for this, so I'm just gonna call it, but I am gonna call it Robert. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna call it Vig. I'm gonna say 7. I'm just gonna say Vig7@gmail.com. Password, I'm gonna put Vig7. Vig7, right? And then I'm gonna put Vig7. I'm gonna put 8 characters or more. Okay, so I'm gonna put VB3399 and then VB339. I want to tell you guys my password for a bot account. I'm gonna start dissing me. So I put a different password in, and oops. Realize you have to put a password that's pretty long, 8 characters long, at least. Okay. So I'm putting in a password right now. It's definitely 8 characters long. Definitely 8 characters long. Okay, I hope this works. Okay. This needs to be big too. Okay. Let's just call it VB33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 exactly. Is usually a mistake? What? OMG. Alright guys, as you can see, this is not going well, but you get the point. Vig7723. Fine. So my recovery email address, I'm just gonna put mine. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put one of my many email addresses. Random date, you don't need to put anything on there if you don't want to. 1900. A male, obviously. May not be very obvious to some of you, but now you know. Alright guys, so at this point you're pretty much almost done, guys. So you may be asking me right now, alright, I'm Vic7, but you didn't really teach me how to make a YouTube account. You just told me how to make a Gmail/Google account. How do you make a YouTube account? Well, let me teach you how to make a YouTube account. This is all you need to make a YouTube account. At this point, all you need to do is just upload any random video on YouTube. So, go to youtube.com right now. You can go to my channel. Here, I'm gonna switch account. And I'm gonna add an account. And I'm gonna add the newest Vig77 2020 account, guys. And as you can see right now, you can just create, upload, go live, whatever it is. And once you upload and create and go live, that's your new video, guys. And that's how you start a YouTube channel. Until you do that, you can't really start a YouTube channel. But everybody has a default YouTube channel if you have signed into Google. So I just created a bot account, guys, just in case you guys didn't know how to make a Gmail account and you wanted to. So this is like a double video, right? So I'm just gonna get rid of that. So that's it, guys. That's how you create a YouTube channel and a Google account at the same time, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, see you later. Bye bye.